contact us for special internet pricing. Dealer BMW is proud to present this 2009 BMW X5 xDrive with an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and 39,000 miles. This SAV has a mineral green metallic exterior, a tobacco Nevada leather interior with dark burl walnut wood trim, and comes with some wonderful features such as power front seats, panoramic moonroof, tire pressure monitor, iPod and USB adapter, BMW teleservices, roof rails, 18-inch alloy star spoke wheels, technology package, premium package, cold weather package, and a rear climate package. The technology package consists of rear view camera, park distance control, navigation system, real-time traffic information and voice activation, while the premium package includes electronic steering wheel, automatic tailgate operation, universal garage door opener, auto-dimming mirrors, lumbar support, storage package, digital compass mirror, and BMW Assist. The cold weather package consists of ski bag, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, and retractable headlight washers, while the rear climate package includes privacy glass, 4-zone climate control, and rear manual side window shades. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax certified. For more information, please call us at 800-474-4197. Dealer BMW looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.